Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Tendo Irene, a housemaid here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I have been documenting my journey here for more than 1 year and 6 months so far now, and this is one of them. Sit back and watch the video. You are most welcome. If you are new to this channel, take a seat, take a chair, take a seat, and feel free to subscribe. Please go ahead and subscribe. To you, my beautiful old subscribers, you are the real deal. I love you so much. I love you so much. I don't know how to express myself, but you mean a lot to me. You have been the ladders of this channel since it was so young. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing how my evening looks like. Remember, I have spent all the day and I'm so tired, and here is my evening. I'm trying to fix everything and I don't know where to start because there is a lot of clothes to be fixed, some to be washed and others to be ironed and others just to be folded and organized in the wardrobes. So you most welcome. You can sit back and chill and watch the video and enjoy, and let me know what you will think about this video at the end of it. Let me know in the comment section. Let us interact. I'll be answering everyone's question. Ask me questions, genuine ones. Please ask me any question you want in the comment section. I'm always available, guys, and if you don't subscribe, you are going to miss out a lot. I told you I'm about to finish this journey here in Saudi Arabia again, if God wishes, and when I go back to Uganda, I'm going to be making more flexible and more comfortable videos back in my country, Uganda. So don't risk to leave this channel without subscribing, okay? So you're most welcome. To give you a brief background of me, I'm a housemaid and I do take small contracts. I take like 2 months. I work in your house, then I work for another one like 3 months. It depends for how long do you want me to work in your house, what do you want me to do there, and also it depends on some other circumstances. I may come in your house to work, but when I find something not good in your house, I may decide to go back to the company so that I get a new client. What are some of those things which can make me as a housemaid to leave your house and go away? What are some of the things which can make me not to be capable of working in your house? First of all, food. If you don't give me food, I have to eat 3 times a day. And if you are not able to be providing that, I may not go. It depends. And when I come to your house, when there is no AC, you know, Saudi Arabia is so hot, very hot most of the times, especially during summer. When I come to your house and the room where I'm going to sleep, there is no AC, maybe even the beddings are not that good. I mean, we are not supposed to be getting good beddings, but I mean, if it is so, I don't know why to say, if it is not good at all, I may refuse to work in your house. And another reason, as for me, if you don't give me Wi-Fi, because I know internet is my security, internet is my country, internet is my everything. So as personally, if I come to your house and don't have Wi-Fi and you refuse me to buy my own credit, I mean data, I may leave your house. Another reason why I may leave your house, even if you paid your good money, I may go because someone males, maybe there is a male person in your house who is trying to disturb me, who is trying to take advantage of me because I'm vulnerable. I may decide to leave your house, and so many other reasons. Maybe the house is big, maybe I can't manage kids, maybe I will not manage the elderly person, you know, a lot of things. But for example, those are just examples I have given you. So that's it. But apart from that, if there is no any reason, if there is no any concern, I work in your house for that given period of time, and I do go away and back to the company, and then they give me another person. That's it, guys. I think you are getting it. Then I get to work in another house. Here, as I'm explaining, I have worked in 13 houses. Yes, 13 houses, and this is the 14th one where I am right now. For your questions, does my boss allow me to shoot videos? do I get permission? I'll answer all those questions in the future. And that is one of the reasons why I'm telling you to subscribe and keep being updated. Turn on your post notification bell so that you get all the tea in future, in the near future. When I mean in future, I mean in the near future. I'll get to know all. So let's interact in the comments section. Okay? So this is my evening schedules. This is one of them. So guys, get to watch this, and yeah, get to watch this, and also subscribe for more related content. And yeah, get to subscribe. Let's see. After working for so long and my legs started trembling, in the knees I started to feel some pain, even the arms, I decided to first take a shower. And here I took a shower and changed my attires. And here I'm in another attire from the shower, and I continued with my work so that I can lessen the work, you know. It is so big. I mean, it is huge work. It is hectic. So I had to first take shower, then I come back to accomplish at least a quarter of the work. So guys, if you are still watching the video, probably you have liked this video and you have liked this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Subscribing is so free. And if you are one of the person who would like to come to Saudi Arabia in the future, or maybe you are in Saudi Arabia, this is your place. This is your place, guys. Even if you are not in Saudi Arabia but you are in the Gulf, this is your place. And for other people, yes, you can get the tip from us. You can get to know what we really do, what you really do. Yes, you can get here uncensored, unfiltered, the real rest. What we do here, the real rest, you can get it here. And I like it like that. I like it. And here I feel like I want to take supper. I want to take my dinner and sleep. I want to sleep, but I don't think that I'll get to sleep. I don't think that I'll sleep. I don't think, because everywhere I'm feeling tired. I spend the whole day doing a lot. Okay, and this is the evening. I'm doing a lot and we're standing up, and some other which I never even filmed during this time, you know, some others which I never put into video. Just imagine what I have shown you and what others I didn't show you. So guys, I love you. May God bless you. May God answer all your silent and loud prayers. Bye bye. Let us meet again.